Okay, so what are some of the various jobs available in this field of
Mechanical
engineering?
engineering,
Yes.
just about every engineering company will have a mechanical engineer involved because it has to do with any design or any product that you build. You're going to have some forces and reaction forces available. So all of your engineering companies will have a mechanical engineer on staff.
Okay, and what types of training do companies who hire mechanical engineers provide them, or is there no training provided?
There is training provided.
Okay.
In fact, if you could get an intern or a co-op program, oftentimes those companies will continue to pay for your education to complete a bachelor's degree or a master's degree or even a PhD, along with your professional engineering tests and certification. They will train for that as well.
So, how is the economy affecting the industry?
Some companies are cutting back. Um, the more specific engineering types like aerospace, those jobs are usually cut or limited a little bit more than something like electrical or mechanical engineering. Those are broad enough that you usually have job security in those fields.
Okay, so what kinds of people experience the greatest success in this field?
People who can definitely communicate, whether it's to outside customers or within a team themselves. And oftentimes, what engineers will do is start out with a PhD or a bachelor's degree in engineering and get their master's degree in business administration so that they can go on and look at management and the economic growth of a company from that aspect to become an executive.
Okay, so as someone interested in going into this field, what is the number one thing that I should know?
Um, to to start with, since you have college in front of you, is to persevere and know that it may not be easy. You may run into a class that is not easy. Learn to have a study group to help get you through the college classes that are hard. Second is learn to network. That means every time you go out in a professional setting or setting with professionals, make sure that you're getting their names and their business cards and you're comfortable getting your name out in front of them. The more you can get your name in front of them, the more likely you are at any point, whether it's to get into college, to get a scholarship, to get a job, to get a raise, to get on a new team with a new company. Networking is probably the key.
Okay, so is there a need for more engineers right now?
There is definitely a need.
Okay, and I have two more questions for you. So, is this industry heavily regulated?
It is with certain codes. I guess I'm confused a little bit about regulated in what capacity as far as certifications and licensing. Yes, it is.
Okay. So, what entry level jobs offer the best opportunities for the greatest amount of learning?
Just about any job.
Just about any job.
You could go to work for a larger company and expect the ability for you to rise within that company is great. Or you could start out at a smaller company where you get sometimes more experience because you're one of the few that are in your field in that company that can do that job, and then rise to another company that once you've gained the experience.
All right. Well, thank you for your time.
Thank you.